Today, we're going to make your text shine with a neon glow text animation, perfect for creating eye-catching titles or effects in your videos. First, open your project and head to the Text tab on the left side of the editor. Scroll down and look for the glow text animation. Once you find it, drag it onto your timeline to add it to your project. Now, click on the text layer in your timeline, and on the right side, you'll see the text customization options. Here you can change the text to whatever you want it to say. Next, choose a font that suits your project and use the size slider to adjust the text size. To make the neon glow effect pop, change the glow color to a neon color like bright pink, green, or blue. Then set the stroke color to a neon purple, or choose a color that complements your glow color. Finally, adjust the position of your text on the screen to place it exactly where you want it. And that's it. You've now added a neon glow text animation that makes your text stand out with a vibrant, glowing effect. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp editing tips.